What if I told you that you could detect any object, a person, a keyboard, a car, etc., and trigger a real buzzer alert, all by changing just one word in your code? This right here is the RDK X5, a seriously power edge AI board with a dedicated BPU. That's a brain processing unit built specifically for running neural networks at insane speed. And today we are running YOLO V5 on the RDK X5, detecting objects in real time through a MIPI camera and firing a buzzer the moment our target shows up. I have connected the VCC pin of the buzzer module with 5-port pin of the RDK X5. Ground pin with ground pin. Connect the signal pin of the buzzer module with GPIO pin 37. Now let's move to the code. First we import all the required libraries. These libraries are essential for running the object detection model and controlling the hardware like the buzzer. Now comes the most important part, the target object. Here you can simply change the name of the object you want to detect. For example, if you set the target to keyboard, the system will only respond when a keyboard is detected. Next, we define the model path, which specifies where our trained model is stored. This model is responsible for detecting different objects. After that, we have the COCO class labels. These are the name of all the objects that our model can recognize, such as person, car, keyboard, bottle, and many more. So whenever the selected target is detected, the buzzer will turn on. If the object is not detected, the buzzer will remain off. Alright, let's see this running live. Target is set to person. Open the terminal and write the command sudo python3 object detection.py. Now when we run the code, the live stream from the camera starts on the screen. If there is no person in front of the camera, the system will display not found and the buzzer will remain off. But as soon as I walk in front of the camera, the system detects the object, in this case a person, and immediately the buzzer turns on. When I move out of the room, the object is no longer detected, so the buzzer turns off again. And whenever I re-enter the room, the system detects me once more, and the buzzer turns on again. So basically the buzzer is completely controlled by the detection of the target object in real time. To turn off the live stream, press Ctrl C. Now I have changed the target object in the code to keyboard and run the program again. As you can see, the live stream starts just like before. Now I move in front of the camera again, but this time you can see that the buzzer is not turning on. Why? Because earlier the target object was set to person, but now we have changed it to keyboard. So even though I am standing in front of the camera, the system is not detecting me as the target object. When there is no keyboard in front of the camera, it shows not found and the buzzer remains off. But as soon as I place a keyboard in front of the camera, the system detects it and instantly the buzzer turns on. When I remove the keyboard, the detection stops and the buzzer turns off again. This clearly shows that by simply changing the target object in the code, we can detect any object supported by the model and trigger action accordingly. So that's how you can build your own real-time object detection system with a buzzer alert. So that's how you can build your own real-time object detection system with a buzzer alert. As you have seen, by simply changing the target object in the code, you can customize the system to detect anything supported by the model. This project can be used in many real-life applications like security systems, smart monitoring, and automation. If you found this project helpful, Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.